I was able to quit my job as a cocktail server, and now I am on the ropes to starting my own digital agency.
I put in my notice. My boss actually said, hey, how about I pay you to work at home for me? Yeah, and then I started working full-time from home in September, doing website design and development, and then also like just some digital marketing for my previous boss. So, and now he's one of my clients.
More confidence in going out and finding clients. That's the main thing.
One client that lives out in Colorado says she wants me to fly out to work with her for at least a few days. It's really because of this path that I took Julia's program that I can confidently say, yes, I'll come out and I'll work with you. So I thought that was just exciting that here I am, not even, 6 months later, and the client is paying my way.
Being able to hit 8K months. So I never thought I would be able to do that. The other big milestone I had was quitting my full-time job. My personal life is a lot better because I own my own business now. I don't have to, I don't have to really answer to anybody. I get to grow as fast and as much as I want, which is